It looks like baklava, but it's quite different. This is called Gastrin, and it comes from Crete, and it was made during the ancient times. The syrup is made using sugar, water, petimesi, which is grape molasses, honey, and lemon. For the filling, we use almonds, hazelnuts, as well as walnuts. Give that a good mix. Add black pepper, poppy seeds, and sesame seeds, and slightly warm through the honey. Brush the baking dish with butter and lay 6 to 7 sheets on the bottom layer, followed by half of the filling and half of the honey. Repeat the process of layering Filo and then adding the mixture. Turn the overhanging pieces of Filo inwards. Brush with butter and cover with the remaining Filo sheets, always making sure that all of the Filo sheets are covered with butter. Tuck the edges in and brush the top of the Filo with more melted butter. Score the top into your desired shape or design. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees until it's golden and crunchy on top. Mine took about 45 minutes. Use a ladle to put the cold sugar syrup over the hot pastry. And enjoy!